Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Recently I've been updating my hallway with a little paint and these hinges, and everything has turned out wonderful. I can't wait to show you. I wanted to tell you a little story about why we got these hinges in the first place. I was redoing my whole house, the interior of my house, and I was thinking that I was going to have to just buy new doors because they were so outdated. But really, all I had to do was update the hardware and put a little paint on them, and they turned out great, and I saved a lot of money that way. Something that we really liked about them was how they came packaged. They each came in their own individual baggie that you had to rip open, and I really like that because they weren't getting scratched up and dented on the trip there. So I got 24 of these. It came in a pack of 24, but you could get more or less depending on what you need. We also loved that they were so easy to install. I'm not a very handy person, but I put most of them on myself, and I can't really give much credit to myself because the hinges were just easy to put on. They come with all the screws that you need and the hardware that you need to get the job done right. So that was fantastic. You can see this is what they look like after I've had them installed. Very nice, easy to open and close. There's no problem there. These door hinges have really given my hallway the update that I was looking for. I am not disappointed, and that's my point of view.